Hey guys, welcome. So in today's video we are going to be doing a DIY that I'm going to be hanging in one of the walls in my house. I saw these wall hangings on Pinterest and I thought they were so pretty. They have a wood top that's a half circle and then each one had different colored yarn hanging from them. But I thought of recreating it a little bit different. I know that they have the wood tops, but I thought we could use placemats. So I went to Target and Home Goods and I picked a few things. This is the first placemat that I bought. It's just a woven placemat. Got this one at Target. Then I also came across this faux leather one. I love this color and just how it feels. Got this one also at Target. And then I went by Home Goods and I found this gold beaded one. And I thought this was so pretty. You're also going to need yarn. Let me show you the yarn that I picked up. A little bit of black, and I also found this really pretty pattern yarn. It has a few different colors in it and I thought that will look so nice. So there's so much yarn to use from. You can choose any color that you like. Same goes with the placemat. So you will also need to get just a wooden hoop. Got this one from Michael. Also guys, just so you know, I will be linking all these items below in the description box in case you guys want to DIY this and recreate one of your own. You can find all the items in the description box. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our hoop and we're going to cut it in half. We're going to cut both the inside and the outside. Okay, so now we need to cut our placemats in half. I measured the center of the mat and just drew a line. I'm also going to take my Mod Podge, and what I'm going to do is just take a small brush and I'm just going to brush it up and down along the center line. And by doing this, this is just going to seal, so once we cut it, it doesn't unravel. Gonna dry clear, so we're gonna let it dry and we'll come back and cut it in half. Okay, so while that one's drying, I'm going to go ahead and measure our next placemat in half and go ahead and cut that. Okay, so we have our placemat cut in half and we have these perfect moon shaped halves. So what we're going to do is take one and we will go ahead, flip it over and glue the half of our hoop onto it. This is a 10-inch one and I do recommend using the 14-inch one, but I couldn't find one. So this is just what I went with. And we're going to be taking the E6000 to glue it on. We're going to go ahead and start cutting our yarn. For this leather one, I'm going to go in with the pattern yarn and you're going to need about 3 feet of yarn. I suggest that you cut more than you will actually need because you can always trim the edges. So I went in and I measured about 3 feet. We're going to loop that at 3 feet and then we're just going to measure the same length and cut it. So really you have a total of 6 feet. You're going to take your yarn and very close to the edge, you're going to go ahead and glue your first piece. Again, I just measured 3 feet and make sure that it's even on both sides. Mod Podge has dried, we're going to go ahead and cut. Okay guys, so while cutting it, I realized that the edges were still coming apart. I might have not used enough Mod Podge, so I went in to seal the edges with this fabric tack to make sure that they stay in place. And we're going to repeat the same process as we did for the other one. But I'm going to be using the black yarn for this one and cutting about 2 feet long because I want to do it a little bit shorter than the other one. hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun recreating these Pinterest inspired wall hangings. I hope that this inspires you guys to go out and create something. All I used was yarn and a couple of placemats to do this DIY. So I hope that it inspires you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!